Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're like me and constantly running out of space on your iPad, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to get more storage on iPad in 2025. With Apple's latest updates, managing storage has never been easier or more efficient. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by checking your current storage. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then select iPad Storage. This will give you a breakdown of what's taking up space, like apps, photos, and videos. It's a great way to identify the culprits hogging your device. Next, let's free up some space by deleting unnecessary files. Scroll through your apps and uninstall the ones you don't use often. For photos and videos, use the Photos app to select and delete duplicates or old memories. Pro tip: enable Optimize iPad Storage in iCloud settings to keep full-resolution files in the cloud while freeing up local space. Now, for a more permanent solution, leverage cloud storage. iCloud offers up to 5 GB for free, but in 2025, you can upgrade to larger plans starting at just a few dollars a month. Upload your files to iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox, and access them anytime without taking up precious iPad storage. Make sure to set up automatic backups so your data is safe. If you need even more room, consider external storage options. With the latest iPads supporting USB-C, you can connect external hard drives or SD cards using adapters. Apps like Files make it simple to transfer and manage files between your iPad and these devices. It's a game changer for creatives or anyone dealing with large files. Finally, don't forget to keep your iOS updated. 2025 brings new features for smarter storage management, like automated app optimization. By following these steps, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your biggest storage headache? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.